What's going on, creators? I'm Artis Stayillin, and in this video I'm going to show you creators how to open a wholesaler's account with the brand Made for your streetwear brand, merch line, or t-shirt side hustle. So make sure you stay to the end of this video to get all the information necessary. And one more thing, if you like the video, like the video respectfully. So for number one, let's get into some of the things that you're gonna need. Now, you're gonna need a wholesale license, aka certificate of authority. Now, if you do not have a certificate of authority, but you wanna learn how to obtain one within your city and state, I'll leave a link down below in the description. The next thing you're gonna need is a website for your brand. It doesn't matter if you just started and you have 0 sales, as long as you have a website that's up and running. Now, if you don't have a website because you don't know how to get started, but you're looking to learn how, I'll leave a link down below in the description as well. Now, these are the 2 things that you're gonna need to open up an account specifically for this brand. Now for number 2, applying for an account. Now, there are 2 websites when it comes to this brand. The first one is madeofficialsite.com and the second one is madeblinks.com. The one you wanna go for is madeofficialsite.com. Now, once you get to that site, you're gonna click wholesale. Now, as you can see, there are 3 steps to create an account. So the first step is your business profile. From your company name to the type of business, your website, and the address wherever your business is located. Once you filled out everything that is necessary, you're going to move on to the next step. Now for the second step, your business documents. From your reseller number, which is the number that is on your certificate of authority, your EIN number. If you do not have one, just type in the words none, as you can see right there. Then you're going to upload your certificate of authority by choosing a file that is on your laptop or on your cell phone. Once all the information is filled out, you're going to move on to the next step. Now for the third and last step, your login credentials. You're going to fill in your first and last name, your email address, then create a password. Once all the information that is necessary is filled out, you're going to click submit. Then you should get an email like this, letting you know that they did receive your account request. Now, I know it says 1 to 2 business days, but for me, it was more like 1 to 2 weeks. Now, as you can see, it says they'll send you an email letting you know whether your account was approved or not. That email should look something like this, letting you know that you were approved. You would then receive another email like this to inform you to activate your account. Now, assuming everything went well and you have an active account, you will have open access to all the wholesale items available on this website. Now, I hope you all are gaining some type of value from this content, and if you are, leave a comment down below. Now, once again, if you do not have a wholesale license, aka certificate of authority, and you want to learn how to obtain one, click the link down below in the description. And if you want to make your own website for your streetwear brand, merch line, or t-shirt side hustle using Shopify, I will leave a link down below for that as well. Now, if you want to know more about what this brand has to offer, click this video right here. And if you want to learn more about my top picks if I was starting a clothing brand today using this brand, click this video right here.